Unmute. What's up, guys?
To Marco.
Hi, Marco.
What's happening? How you doing?
Marco.
Everybody here? Yeah. Yes.
Yep.
Okay. So obviously, today we're going to learn the difference between a change of character and a break of structure. Now, obviously, I know that a lot of you guys already know what a change of character is versus what a break of structure is. But let's check. Okay, so who knows what a change of character is?
I think it's when the market changes its character, like when it's going up, then it changes character and it's going down.
Okay, but how will it identify itself changing its character?
If the market is going up and a previous low is taken out.
You have, what do you call it? A structure shift.
No, so okay, if that's a change of character, then what's a break of structure?
It's a continuation, I think. Of the trend. It's a continuation.
When a major high or low is taken out.
Even a minor low, major high, minor low, major low, minor high. Okay, so everybody get their pens out, and papers. Because it's about to go down. Everybody there?
Yep.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So everybody just write this down, right? A break of structure means that it's the first clue that the market is telling you that it is about to get weaker or it's about to reverse. Write that down. Should I repeat it?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
Yes, please.
A break of structure, right, is when it basically means that it's the first clue that the market is telling you, or the market is giving us, that it's about to get weaker or it's about to reverse. So break of structure basically means that this is when the market gives you its first clue, that it's either, right, about to get weaker, right, and it's about to reverse. Got it? I'm going to continue. In order to identify a break of structure, right? In order to identify a break of structure, right? Price needs to make a new lower low and a new lower high. In this case, you have a lower high and a lower low. So this is now a break of structure. So basically a break of structure, which we call a BOS, break of structure, is simply the break of structure. Bullish / right, or a bearish, which respects the trend. You with me?
Yes.
Last part.
Mark, I didn't get the last part there you mentioned of the bullish forward, bearish.
Okay. Bullish / bearish, which respects the trend. So a break of structure, right, which is obviously a BOS, a break of structure, is simply the break of structure being a bullish or bearish, which respects the trend. Now, this is the difference between a change of character and a break of structure. See, the break of structure, right, simply breaks structure, right, and continues to respect the trend, where a change of character, right, is almost like a break of structure, right? So it's almost like a break of structure. The only difference is, right, the only difference is that it's not a continuation of the trend. It doesn't respect the trend. It starts the trend. You understand? So we have a continuation and we have a starter. The starter is a change of character. It changes the character, and then a break of structure continues the character, which is either bearish or bullish. You get me?
Marco, are you showing annotations or nothing?
Am I showing what?
Are you showing annotations or anything? Are you marking something up? Because I can't see it on my side.
No, the screen is just showing a chart.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so that's the difference, right, between a change of character and a break of structure. A break of structure, right, will respect the trend, and a change of character will start the trend.
Marco, can you please repeat that for us?
Okay. The difference between a break of structure and a change of character, right? A break of structure, right, be it again either bullish or bearish, right? It will respect the trend. So it will be a continuous thing happening, right, after a change of character. A change of character will first come into play, which will change the characteristics of the market, right? And then a break of structure will be a continuation to that change. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, it does.
Right. Now, let's get into this. All right, everybody still got their pens out?
Yep.
Yes. Everybody ready? Right. So basically, we already know that a change of character is the action we look for to confirm both entry and exit from a trading range. Write that down. We know that a change of character is the action we look for to confirm both entry and exit from the trading range. Why do I say that?
Okay. It's because now you use it to see if the trend is ending and yeah, okay.
It's because it confirms a new trend. So if you're in a sell and it's confirmed buy.
So if we're selling, right? If we're selling, we would obviously confirm a bearish trend. And the minute we start buying, we will confirm a buying trend. So if we bearish, and then the minute we start going bullish, we will get out of our trades, right? Because the market is now showing us a trend change from bearish to bullish. Make sense?
Marco, can you please repeat that?
Basically, right. And I'll show you on the chart soon. When a trend starts, right, you would need another change of character to show you that the character of the market has now changed from bearish to bullish. So hence I'm saying, right, we know that a change of character is the action we look for to confirm both entry, right? So we're entering the bearish trend, and we're getting out of that bearish trend when we see a bullish trend starting. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is everybody on the same page? One of the clues that helps us anticipate the change of character is a change of behavior, right? Within the trend, within the trading range. Now, this is going to make more sense to you, and it's going to help you identify it a lot easier if you understand this. One of the clues that helps us anticipate the change of character is a change of behavior within the trading range. So when I say that, what do I mean? If we've got a range, let me draw it out quickly. We've got a range. We've got this high. Right? And then we've got, let's say, this low. That's our trading range, right? So when is our trading range violated?
When it breaks
high or
above,
low get taken out. Once you start taking out the lows or the highs, the swing high
There
or
we
the swing
go.
low.
So that would be a violation, right? But on a lower time frame, that would be a violation. What I'm showing you here is that we want to see a violation of the trend. Because you see, if we don't take out the low, right? If we don't create a lower low, and we actually go and take out the previous high, what have we done?
Changing character.
100%. Why is it a change of character? Because the continuation pattern isn't taking place anymore. You with me?
Yes.
Does it make sense, guys?
No.
Yes, yes.
Someone said no,
Look here.
Marco.
Okay, look here. If this is our bearish run, right? This is our bearish run. What is going to show us here that we're no longer making higher highs and higher lows?
Didn't take out the high previously. Before the high is high.
Well, if we take out this low, right? But you see, the minute we take out this low, see, the minute price goes like this, right? We had price respecting the trend. Price went up, right? Let's say price went down, price went up, price went down, right? And let's just say price went up, price went down, price went up. But you see, as soon as price came down, are we still respecting the trend?
No.
No, we're violating. No.
We broke it.
Change of character.
So this now is a change of character where the market is changing its direction. Are you with me?
100%.
Now,
Yeah.
everything after this is a continuation. So from now on, we're looking for a break of structure. And then another break of structure. Now, what I want to see is a complete body closure. That is it, to identify my change of character and to identify my break of structure. Simple as that. If not, I can't identify it. Therefore, I won't say it is a break of structure or not, or you understand? Because I have no understanding and it's not following my rules. And therefore, if it's not following my rules, what do I need to do? You understand? If it's not following my rules, it's telling me one thing, right? It's telling me that, okay, no, wait. If we're taking out a low, then obviously now we've made this high and we're looking for a lower high. What happens? Price comes back in, creates a high that fails this high, right? So we failed this high. And then we create this high. And now we have a what do we have now?
Break of structure.
A break of structure. Price comes in, taps into that level, comes back down. What do we have?
Break of structure.
Break of structure. Price comes in, goes up, goes in, comes up, goes in, taps into that level. Price comes down. Now, What do we have?
What you call a break of structure to the upside.
Change of character.
Change of character to the
No, that's
upside.
not.
Break
Huh?
structure.
It's a break of structure. Change of character happened before that line. The equal highs.
Wait, you're talking about this year?
I'm talking about if you see when you're going down, but the equal highs, when there's two equal highs got taken out, that's when we had our change of character. Not below.
We're here.
Yeah, on the left hand side.
We're here.
On the left hand, yes.
This was our
change, isn't it a change of character? Because
yeah, but we had to obviously we couldn't identify this as a change of character yet. Why?
Didn't take
Because
out
it didn't take out the high.
Because if we look carefully,
No change of behavior.
you must understand. You must always take this into consideration, and then always, if you can't see it, go to a line chart. Right? If we look here, right? Where was our change of character? Hey?
So it was after where that yellow drawing is the second low but with the next high.
So you would say that this would be where our change of character is. Why?
The lower high was taken out.
The
lower high was taken out.
Okay, now, if that's the case, right? If that's the case,
Marco, that is someone else's drawing on file, so they just have to remove it.
I'll have to just remove your drawing. I can just say clear all drawings. There we go. Right. If that's the case, let's look at the structure. If we were looking at structure, why did I identify that as a major break? A major change of character. Right? Because obviously here we're looking at major changes of character, right? So if price is here, and then there, and then there, right? There, right? If I'm looking for a change of character, do I have a change of character? Let's look at this.
No.
No, you don't have a change of character.
Not in a major structure.
This is a continuous.
So on this time frame, remember guys, we're looking at time frames here, right? On this time frame, right? Do I have a change of character?
No.
I don't. If, in order to have a change of character, what would I need?
You need
For
to take out
price
the
to
high.
take out the previous lower high.
So in order to have a change of character, you would agree that, right, I would need that high to be violated.
Yes.
Right? So right now, we're obviously expecting price to do that. Right? Unless price does something of this nature. Which it won't, but I'm just saying. What do we have?
A change of character.
Change of character. A change of character on the high time frame, yes, on the time frame.
Correct. Now, why did I identify this as a change of character?
Because the previous high failed to create a lower low.
Correct.
Okay.
Could you just clarify on that, Marco, of the previous high taking out the
So if we look over here, right? If we're going to look at minor structure, right? If we're going to look at minor structure, right? If this was a surprise made this high, low, high, low, high, low, change of character, right?
Yes.
And then price comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Right. So over here, would you have not said that this would have been a change of character to the downside? If we look at this here, would this have been your change of character, right? If we're looking at this, would this be your change of character to the downside?
Yes, yes, it would.
No, because the major low wasn't taken out.
We're not talking about major structure here. We're talking about minor structure. Would this be a change of character?
I think no. I think
Yes,
because
it
that low
is.
didn't. Yeah, I did create a high. Okay, but didn't break up.
So, if this is a change of character, then what is this?
A change of character.
I think
So-
it's a change of character on the swing structure of that daily time frame.
Yeah, but obviously, you guys, I'm trying to help you here and identify a change of character to a point where you're identifying the actual trend. Remember, we're working on a trend here. Understand? We're working on a trend. I need you guys to identify the actual change of character, right? So is this this is a change of character? That was a change of character. This is a change of character. But if we're looking at the overall picture, have we had a change of character?
No.
No.
Bottom line, no. Bottom line, no.
No.
No. You agree? Bottom line, no. There is no change of character.
Not yet, yes.
How?
Great. Uh-huh.
I'm a bit lost now. So we didn't have
Okay,
a change
look here.
on this swing
Look here.
run.
Okay, so over here,
Okay.
right? If we're going to talk about a minor change of character, right, then would you agree with me that no, wrong thing, hold on. Would you agree with me that that's a change of character?
Yes, I do agree.
Yes.
Okay. Would you agree with me? Would you agree with me that that's a change of character?
Yes, I do agree.
Everybody agree with me?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So we agree that these are change of characters, right? But where did price show us that, okay, no, we are reversing?
To your left there.
It was here. If we're going to talk about actual structure, that was my break. That was my change of character to show me the reversal. You agree with me? Because then what happened was, yeah, price only broke this level over here. You agree with me?
Agree.
And then we created the breaker. Yeah.
Wouldn't you say your break of structures on that blue candle, the one that is exhausted? I don't know
one I
how to
just
show
drew
you,
out.
but yeah, that one. You see that one? Because if you go on a 4-hour candle, it's a full body candle that is closed.
Yeah, but you don't want to.
there.
You don't want to, guys. If you don't, let me teach you something. If you don't know if you have a break of structure or not, this is this little secret. Go to a line chart. Where was the break? A wick is a ghost in this market. I'll say that again. A wick is a ghost in the market. The break came over here. Right over here. Now, if we look at that on a chart, right? Where did the break come? Break came over here.
The thing is that you said you are looking for a complete candle to close underneath the level so that you can say it's a break of structure. That's why I'm saying,
correct.
If you
But
go
now,
on a 4-hour,
But
That's
now,
what I'm saying.
do we not have, if we look over here, hold on. If we look over here, do we not have a full body break?
Yes, we do.
Remember, wicks are ghosts in a market. You with me?
Yeah.
So now we don't use wicks to identify a break of structures. We just use the body.
Correct. That's why even if we're looking at structure over here. So price made this high, low, high, low, creating a weak high. We take out the weak high, right? Can you see that? Price made this low, weak high, take out the weak high. Price made a low, weak high,